Siete, vato.
Sí, hace.
I believe the title of this video shall be, Why is my wife so tired? I just don't get it. What's her problem? It doesn't make any sense. How could taking care of Oscar all day make one tired?